Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is such a gloomy day outside and there's really nothing else to do other than finally clean my room. I just had a whirlwind of a week. The weekend before my birthday, my cousin surprised me by flying out my best friend from college, Noelle. If you guys have been here for a while, you guys are familiar with her. But she visited for an entire weekend and then it was my birthday and then I worked all week and then I went away with 19 of my friends to the Poconos as a birthday weekend trip. Now I finally have a moment to myself because I had work yesterday, but I don't work today. And I'm looking around and my room is a disaster. I have all of my vacation things just sprawled out everywhere and it's rough. So it's time to clean. Oh, before I start, of course, I'm gonna show you the before. So let's do a tour of the before. Yeah, that's what it looks like right now. It's not awful compared to, I know, what maybe some other people may experience, but to me, this is not my best. We're gonna start by making my bed. Usually I do that every morning when I wake up. It's just a habit that I've created for myself. I can't start my day until my bed is made. But today I left it unmade because I knew I was making this video, so it would just be a way to start the beginning of how I would clean my room. I have a very specific way that I make my bed. I make it the same way every day with the pillows laid out in the exact same formation, and I also fold the blanket the exact same way. Everything looks the same every day with the exception of like a couple of wrinkles. Okay, bed is made. Now that I got the bed taken care of, I think I'm going to move on to unpacking everything that I brought with me on my Poconos trip so that I can get things settled where they belong. So that's gonna be the next step now. Now that everything is out of the bags that I took to the Poconos, I'm gonna put them all back where they belong, and then I'm gonna put the clothes I did wear in the laundry. So I'm simultaneously gonna start getting rid of this crazy laundry pile I have going on while I'm putting my clothes away from the trip. If my hair is frizzy, mind your business. That's all for the lights right now, so I'm gonna take this to the laundry room and take care of that. Somehow my hair has frizzed immensely since the start of this video, so I'm gonna be putting it up because this is insane. On my TikTok, these two 12-year-old girls were coming for my hair about it being frizzy. Unfortunately, that's just something I can't control and something that is the bane of my existence. But it is what it is, you know? I can't change my hair. Everything from my trip and my laundry is taken care of now. So I'm gonna move on to assembling all of my birthday gifts and organizing that. It's not even just birthday gifts. I just have bags from shopping and crafting all around my room. So this isn't all birthday gifts. All of this was on my floor. Half of it has been on my floor for months, but I'm gonna try and organize all of this so it's not so cluttered. I know that I want to keep all of the gift wrapping because that's going to come in handy for the Christmas season. I need to get a garbage bag. That's what we're missing here. It's so satisfying when I finally clear out a bag though. And then it's ready to go for the next holiday. So far, this is my collection of gift bags and gift wrapping paper. Oh, I guess I'll show you guys a quick haul of some of the things that I acquired for my birthday. There's gonna be a Poconos vlog. I don't know if it'll be up before or after this, but so you'll see the stuff regardless. So first we have happy birthday unicorn sash because I'm basically a child. Here is another happy birthday sash. Couple of feliz cumpleaños hats. that we wore in the Poconos. I'm Cuban, although I don't really know much of Spanish at all, which is really unfortunate. I wish I took Spanish instead of French. We have Victoria's Secret bombshell. Love her. Charging station for my new Nintendo Switch. I also got Animal Crossing, and I have not stopped playing for like 2 days straight. So I also just noticed that in this pile was this Leaves candle. If you know me, you know this is my all-time favorite Bath & Body Works candle scent. I also got this Snoopy mug that is so adorable. Cannot wait to have hot chocolate in this. And this adorable Halloween garland. I haven't figured out if I'm gonna put it in my room or if my house decorations, because I also love decorating my house, which I'm probably gonna do as soon as I finish filming this. But I also think it would be so cute here. I don't know, I haven't figured it out. And then we have a couple of birthday cards. I'm a sucker for cards. I spend way too long writing people's cards. I write novels when I give people holiday cards. I love cards and I always keep them. I just put the little candy corn garland up and it looks so cute. Right now, everything is looking so much better already. I feel like I can breathe again. I'm not done with the pile here, but I at least got rid of the bulk of the bags, and now it's more so about putting everything back where it belongs. Okay, the bed has been cleared finally. We made the bed, we did the laundry, unpacked everything from the trips, decluttered all of the birthday gifts. Now I'm looking around and I just need to clean off my desk and then pick up and organize the random other things that are on my floor. That's what's next. I'm looking around and I think I officially finished cleaning everything. Now that it's done, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stay there for